Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a traditional Bengali freshwater fish recipe called Rui Macher Kalia or spicy Rohu Fish Curry. It is served in the main course along with any rice item like steamed rice, fried rice, pulao, etc. It is generally made during special occasions, festivals, ceremonies, and for guests. Please watch till the end as I give many tips, recommendations, and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, then please do not leave without subscribing, liking, hitting the bell icon, and commenting. Let's begin. Heat mustard oil 8 tablespoons in a frying pan till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. In the meantime, I have taken diced potato, very large, or 1½ cups. Skin is peeled off and washed. Add turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Coat the potato nicely with turmeric powder and salt. Oil is hot, so pour the potato into hot oil. Fry in medium to high heat till golden brown. The potato is fried. Take off the pan and keep aside. While the potato was frying, I have got Rohu fish 700 grams, body part except the head. Katla fish can also be used for this recipe. The fish is washed thoroughly. Add turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon and salt 1/2 teaspoon. Coat both sides of the fish nicely with turmeric powder and salt. This gives a nice golden brown color to the fish when fried. The cutting of the fish in Bengali way is shown in the inset. This gives more pieces than round shapes. Add turmeric powder if you think a little more turmeric powder could be better. I added turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Again, optional. Place the fish one at a time gently in hot oil. Fry in medium to high heat till golden brown. Tips: always fry fish in very hot oil. Fry in medium to high heat. Flip after 2 to 3 minutes each time to avoid the fish getting stuck to the pan. Do not overcrowd the pan. Be generous with oil while frying the fish. Try not to use the oil in which fish is fried for cooking fish. Use the oil to fry other fish only to avoid strong fish smell. Add oil if required. Note: do not use mustard oil without prior heating. We can use any other oil of our choice. The fish are fried. Take off the pan and keep aside. Do the same for all the pieces. Heat ghee 1 teaspoon and mustard oil 8 tablespoons till it fumes. Add nuts 1/4 cup, a mixture of ground nuts without skin and cashew nuts. Fry in low to medium heat till golden brown. Only one type of nut can also be used. Nuts are now fried. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2 split into 2, cinnamon sticks 2, crushed green cardamom 4, cloves 4, cumin 1 teaspoon, and nigella seeds or kalo jeera half teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 1 1/4 cup or onion paste about 3/4 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger paste 1 tablespoon or chopped ginger 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If desired, we can add garlic paste 1 tablespoon. However, we Bengalis generally like to skip garlic to cook freshwater fishes and use it to cook sea fish. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 2 teaspoon and coriander powder 2 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 minute. Add tomato paste 1 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes or till oil separates from the masala or oil floats on top of the masala. Add oil if required. This step is very important. It makes the curry tasty. The masala is done. Oil is bubbling separately. Add fried potato, water 4 cups. Add 3 cups of water for thicker and drier curry and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Cover the pan and cook in high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. This cooks the masala and potato. Fish doesn't take much time to cook. After 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Place the fried fish gently into the curry one at a time. I added 4 cups of water because I realized that I will have to eat rice with it only. There is no other curry along with it. If you are not in this position, then please add 3 cups of water. Add golden raisins 1/4 cup, fried nuts, sugar 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, and garam masala powder half teaspoon. Cook in high heat without the lid for 15 minutes. Garam masala powder comprises of cloves, cinnamon and green cardamom. They are grinded into powder. Garam masala powder can be added at the end of the cooking as well. Note, cover with a lid and cook if 3 cups of water is used to prevent the curry becoming very dry. I have added 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, optional. Sorry, it is not captured. Kalia must be spicy with lots of oil. After 15 minutes, add green chili, 4 slit in the middle. Switch off the gas, keep it open to make it drier. This is how the curry looks like after 5 minutes. Cut the potato. It is cutting through very smoothly. It is cooked but has not melted. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. It's perfect. It's very tasty. I will serve it hot with the hot steamed rice. It serves 4 to 6 people. Thanks for watching. Please make it at home. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, stay safe, and enjoy life. Bye.